Hello everyone, we're in San Diego. We're at the Hyatt Mission Bay, and we're staying here for our free night, but we upgraded to a suite, so it's really nice. We have a balcony with a view of the bay and a separate bedroom and living room area. We'll show you that.
Hello and welcome.
The bedroom is in the entry area. Oh, there's someone hiding there. King size bed. Look at this big lamp here with plugs, USB and regular plugs.
So weird.
Little sitting area with a table, and then we have a little sliding door to separate the bedroom area from the next spot, which is
the closet.
The closet area, and a little coffee counter.
There's a safe and there's a refrigerator. These things pull out, so it's cool.
And a bottle opener. That's the bathroom.
So we have this lovely sink and a nice shelf to put the towels on.
Pretty big mirror, nicely lit.
Wait, look how far away the toilet paper is from the toilet.
Oh,
whoa.
that is a far reach.
That is.
Nice curvy shower bar.
Oh, and by the way, if you're wondering why we're all fancy, you'll never know.
Moving on, we have the living room area with a pull-out couch. This lamp also has this plug-in USB little table.
Nice little TV and desk area with another lamp.
We have a nice patio. Let's check it out. Our view of the bay.
There's only room for 2 people out here. I'm sorry, you have to wait outside.
Oh yeah, this is pretty tiny.
Yeah, it's pretty tiny.
It's just like.
But it's a cool view of the bay. Oh, I see a Garibaldi in there. Do you see that orange fish?
Where?
It's gonna be hard to see on camera, but there's a Garibaldi. That orange fish down there is the Garibaldi's California state fish.
Oh, that's cool.
Well, we went to the pools, and it's pretty chilly outside right now. It's cool they have this walk-in pool. The cabanas have their own fire pits. Is it cold or hot?
It's just my toes hurt. It's medium.
It's medium?
It's kind of cold.
Kind of cold? Oh. They have a few water slides. 2 medium ones and 1 pretty small one. Well, it's freezing here. The air temperature is really cold. It's in the 50s, I think. So the water is fine, but the air temperature is so cold it's hard to be out here. We went in the hot tub to warm up for a little bit, and now Kaylin is braving the slides. We're in Old Town San Diego. We're gonna eat at Casa Guadalajara.
It's cold.
It is chilly outside, yes.
Yeah.
Got a strawberry margarita. That's good flavor. It's sweet, kind of icy.
Yep, this is like a traditional London margarita.
This is the Clooney margarita. That's good. It's much stronger and a more traditional taste.
It's very good margarita.
Yeah.
Traditional, like classic flavor.
Yeah, I think I like that one more.
Very good. This is chili relleno and this is cheese enchiladas.
This is the Guadalajara enchiladas.
And this is the meat.
1 chicken, 1 beef. Rebecca got chicken tacos. Kaylin got 1 chicken, 1 carne asada taco. So what did you think of your meal?
I thought it was really good. The one thing is that there was like not that much cheese on the tacos, but we asked for separate cheese. If you come here, ask for separate cheese if you need cheese on the tacos. I didn't really try the beans, but because I'm just not a fan of beans.
It was good besides the baked beans and the vegetables and the rice.
Just because you don't like.
Oh, and all this, I don't know, it looks weird.
Well, you like the tacos.
I like the tacos. The rice was good besides the things in it. I don't know what this thing is, but there's an onion, there's onions, there's peas, and there's corn.
Okay.
So there's less rice. And the food thing was not that good. But I like the tacos a lot. I like the meat and the chicken. I don't have a favorite between them. And Overall, I would probably get this again. It's a good meal. I like it.
I would get them again, but yeah, that's all. I would.
So, how do you like your meal?
The enchiladas were really good. I really like the beef enchiladas. I was surprised that I normally don't get beef enchiladas. The chicken were fine, but the beef were really good. The whole dish with the beans and rice, and the enchiladas, and the topping, the sour cream was really delicious. This turned to kind of icy at the end.
So, Mommy, how do you like your meal?
So it's very good. It's like what we think is authentic Mexican. I like the cheese enchilada. I like the chili relleno. I ate a ton of cheese, and the rice and beans were great. Thumbs up.
Yeah, definitely good meal. Good place to come.
We ate 2 servings of chips.
No, correction. Rebecca Krause ate 1.5 servings of chips.
Yay!
Get your meal again?
Yeah.
I really like the atmosphere here. All the detail of all the things they have around really adds to the environment. We're gonna get a churro from El Mercadito. Is it warm?
Yeah, it's warm.
How is it? Good.
Better than Disneyland churro.
It's what?
Todd, we
Tide.
love Disneyland.
Got the couch bed set up and the air mattress. Good night. Alright, good morning. Rebecca was freezing in the night, so she got her jacket. And this didn't cover the light all the way. And even though these were closed, a lot of light came in, so this room got really bright. So I woke Caitlin up. But our room stayed dark.
Still so dark.
It's very dark in here. But we could hear a lot. So anybody outside we could hear some cars on the street, the motorcycles, and people coming and going. So it wasn't the best night. The bed was pretty comfortable. I realized when it was darker in this room because it has the shutters, plus it has these curtains to block the light. We saw there's only one regular coffee, and we found it because it was in here used, not cleaned out. For breakfast we brought some chocolate milks and protein drinks.
Don't forget to shake it.
Shake, shake, shake.
We have a nice view of the harbor. We're at SeaWorld now. They're celebrating Mardi Gras here, which doesn't seem to fit with SeaWorld, but they're trying to draw in more guests. We ended up getting the all-day dining deal, so we're gonna start by getting some food at the Chicken Snack Shack. We got a chicken sandwich, grapes, French fries, and a drink, which would have been $25. At the guest services for the meal plan, they said that we could go to any restaurant right away, but when we got there, the restaurant wasn't open until 11. So we went to this other one that had just opened.
So this
And
is the only one that's open at 10. The rest are open at 11.
the French fries didn't seem like they were fully cooked. They didn't quite seem to know what they were doing inside. But we get some food.
Yeah!
So far it's not very crowded. It's Super Bowl Sunday. We'll see if it gets more crowded or not, but so far there's nobody here. If you want to feed the sea lions, it's $9 for 4 fish. I don't have anything, Mr. Bird.
We came from upstairs.
There's so many
It's very uncrowded here today.
in this area, yeah, there's like nobody here.
Yeah. All the flamingos are gone. They moved them somewhere else. Hello, Mr. Manta Ray. Did you get him?
Yeah.
It's easier here than at the Monterey Aquarium.
Touch the egg.
It's called a guitar fish. Next stop in the all-day meal plan, we're going to the Calypso Smokehouse. We got barbecue chicken, mac and cheese on the side, cake and drink. This would have been $35.
And 5 forks.
Well, that meal was pretty good. We all enjoyed everything. There's a lot closed that used to be open here. So there's 3 rides.
No, 2 rides.
There's 2 rides closed.
There's 1 restaurant.
3 aquariums that they used to have open are no longer open.
And there's 3 shows closed also.
Yeah, a lot closed right now this time of year. Not very crowded, lots closed. Oh, wait a minute, and this whole thing is closed too? This whole SeaWorld play area is closed.
What?
Oh my gosh, how much is closed today?
Why is the whole play?
Since the Sesame Street play area is closed, I think all the kids come to these 3 rides right here.
That was so tiny. It could have been bigger. So tiny.
Yeah. Oh, look, we have some Mardi Gras characters and animals. Oh, should we follow you this way? Is that where the show is? Well, the show was not very exciting, so we ended up leaving early.
Mommy says it's lame.
Yeah, I agree.
I like the acrobat part and the juggling part.
Well, with about half the things closed at SeaWorld, we got half off our tickets, so it was kind of like getting a full ticket. Because we got 2-for-1 tickets on Black Friday last year. Alright, we're gonna go find some more animals. At least it's not crowded at all, so we have plenty of space.
That's the big advantage.
All the walkways are all open. Hey, look, yeah, fish tank. Yeah, this used to be really crowded here. There used to be 4 lines here. This whole restaurant is closed. Oh yeah, look at that, all like totally disabled. Let's see if we can see any sea stars. There's a shell you can touch.
If you want to sea star eats. Now hold on to your left. No, I heard one person say.
Look at this ride.
No. Good. You already know. Is it something called the synapse?
Yeah, this ride doesn't really do much.
Two holes or something like that. I don't know, I study fish, but I do know that
You used to be able to pick these up and look at them on the underside, but now they just let you touch it from the top. They used to have an aquarium here, but now not anymore. Our next meal we're getting is at Manta Pizza. It's hot, fast, but it's not very fast. We've been waiting in line for a while. It's a slow line. It reminds us of Universal Studios. Alright, next on our dining plan, we got a very small piece of pizza, a drink, and chips.
Like $11.
Yeah, there was definitely a bigger piece of pizza when we came here last time.
If you don't have the all-day dining, maybe this won't be worth it because it's $11 for a pepperoni pizza that's this small. So just keep in mind that it's this small. So yeah.
Yeah. Kaylin has her Sea Panda shirt and formal chicken. I have my turtle shirt on. Now at the Sea Lion and Otter show, the stadium is pretty empty. They open up the reserve seats even if you don't have reserve tickets. Normally they have pre-show entertainment, but they don't have any pre-show entertainment today, and they didn't have any at the dolphin show either.
Well, in a while, they'll be hunting for fish, crustaceans.
Wow, Clyde? What is it? Oh, that's a good one!
Oh, a seagull just stole the treats for the sea lions.
Look at that! And now I'm giving up more sea
it's a ghost town here. It's not a very large...
No, I think there's way too many of them.
Yeah, I think it's just temporary. Yeah, it smells here. They used to call it dining with Shamu. Alright, let's go touch some fish. These are bamboo sharks.
They have those lovely spots over their shoulders.
These are horseshoe crabs. So interesting.
Where's its eyes?
These little fish nibble on your skin.
What the heck?
Do they tickle? They're cleaner fish. They clean your hands.
Okay, my other one
They bite me! They're like little bitey fish.
Is it good for your hands? Because it cleans you. What's on your hands
I
though?
don't know, like dead skin or...
Ugh. It tickles. You should do it.
Ah! Maybe come at me, yeah.
I don't like it.
I like it.
That's so weird.
Yeah.
It tickles.
Wow.
I think we should buy these fish. They're so cool.
Next we're gonna get food at the Explorers Cafe. All right, for our last food items, we got chicken strips with French fries, chocolate cake, and lemonade. It would have been $35. The meal plan definitely seemed worth it because for one meal plan, the four of us ate all day. All our food today cost $50, but would have been $115 without the meal plan. We just saw a seagull take someone's whole chicken strip. All right, that concludes our day at SeaWorld. SeaWorld is definitely fallen from its prime, but we still had a fun day. We got some food and saw some fun shows and interacted with some animals. We enjoyed staying at the Hyatt and got some great Mexican food last night.
And chips. Lots of chips.
And lots of chips there. Bye-bye.